And you mentioned like your funnels are generated millions of dollars. So uh, uh, what is the one strategy you use your so that is why your funnel is generated that much of revenue? What kind of strategies framework you used to building a funnels?
Sure, sure. One of the number one things why my funnels were so successful is I'd had all that sales training before, so I understood how a person's mindset and how the customer journey works, where you take somebody from where they know nothing about your product, and by the time they get done, they're like a raving fan. So how does that education process go? Normally in the sales, I ask you questions. We go back and forth. I'm like, well, how can I do that, but in a funnel? So that's sort of what my advantage was. And then just understanding the actual process that each person going through, it's not a number, it's a person. So how do people buy? People buy emotionally first, and then logically they fulfill and make their sales purchase, they make it make sense. You know what I mean? So you have to do that first. You have to hit them on emotional. You have to get them pumped up. And then at the end, you hit them with the stats and the facts. So they're like, oh, now it makes sense. I'm all pumped up, but it makes sense. 50% of this, blah, blah, blah.